As you all know, corn cheese ball is a hit party starter. And today, I'm going to show you a different version of it that you can try during your next get-together. So let's see the recipe for Aloo Moong Dal cheese balls. Let's start with making the mixture for this recipe, for which I have here half a cup of yellow moong dal that I've soaked for about 3 to 4 hours. Drain out all the water and pat dry it. And now I'm just going to grind it into a coarse mixture. You can see it's a very coarse mixture of the dal. And now let's mix this with some mashed potatoes. I have here 2 small potatoes boiled and mashed. Let's add in the dal mixture. Now into this, add in half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon ginger-chilli paste, some coriander leaves, add in 1.5 tablespoon rice flour. You can even add corn flour if you wish. I have here some breadcrumbs. Add in around half a cup of it. Salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients properly. Make sure that you get rid of all the moisture, so pat dry the dal properly. And if you feel the need, you can add some more breadcrumbs or rice flour. And now it's time to stuff the cheese and shape them. Take a 1-inch ball of this mixture. Make a well in the center. Take a cheese cube. You can use any cheese of your choice. You can use mozzarella or even the regular processed cheese. That's fine as well. Seal and shape the ball. In this way, let's shape some more. The cheese balls are stuffed and ready to fry. What you can also do is refrigerate them till you're ready to fry them. Once the oil is nice and hot, add them in and deep fry them on low-medium heat. Don't be in a hurry to fry them because the dal has to cook. Keep turning them around. These have got a beautiful color. Let's get them out. Desi style, crispy, cheesy and absolutely irresistible Aloo Moong Dal cheese balls are ready. Serve them with some ketchup or some spicy chili sauce and enjoy. Do subscribe to Rajshri Food, comment below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.